Lipenga.
There's somebody here, I'm saying. Lipenga. What's your name?
Betha Lipenga.
Betha Lipenga.
Yes.
Chikwawa.
Yes,
You're from where?
my father's
Your father's from where?
Chikwawa. Yes.
Makolo awo amachokera ku Chikwawa.
Inchinji.
Nanga Nchinji.
We are coming from.
You're from where?
Amachokera ku.
You're coming from where?
Chinji.
I don't know these locations. Do they exist?
Yes, they do.
You will now
Pakadali pano.
begin to see
Muyamba kuona.
the goodness
Ubwino.
and the favor
Ndikukondeledwa.
of the Lord
Kwa Mbuye.
in your life.
Moyo wanu.
Okapalashi. Lady.
Ma'am.
I was seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
My children. I have 5 kids.
Listen,
Tamvetsera ndikachema.
because I see myself in your house now,
Ndikuona mnyumba mwanu tsopano.
and I meet with Enoch.
That's my firstborn. Here he is, sir.
As I leave Enoch,
Pamene ndikuchoka pa Enoch.
I meet with favor.
He's here. He's here. He's here. He's here, Lord.
I meet Olive.
That's my daughter, Lord. Oh,
I meet
Jesus.
Mapalo.
That's my last born, God.
I seen this.
Jesus.
Who has oil?
Ali ni mafuta.
I'm wasting your time. Who has oil?
Ali ni mafuta ndikutalira ni nthawi anthu.
There's one child that I'm looking for.
Pali mwana mmodzi amene ndiku.
There's one more child I'm looking for.
Pali mwana mmodzi amene ndikumuyang'ana.
Kolimasianti. Porekusiana kadia. Devilokrina kusiparatia gidezokosia dia keminazi. Deborosa katamente. Zakupiri dizokiti biri dizokiti zibilote city kopiozi. And now, this is what the Lord said to me.
Izi ndi zimene Ambuye akundilankhula.
He said, tell them
Awuzeni.
I'm cleaning up this family.
Banja ili ndikulinyamula.